Hello folks, welcome to the Richard Chaney channel. I'm Richard Chaney. And the first CD we're going to do is Sawyer Brown. Sawyer Brown. And the next CD we're going to do is the Oak Ridge Boys. The Oak Ridge Boys. Next CD we're going to do is the Mormon Tabernacle Choir. Next CD we're going to do is Phil Collins. Phil Collins. Next CD we're going to do is Dwight Yoakam. Dwight Yoakam. Next CD we're going to do is The Best of Vince Gill. The Best of Vince Gill. The next CD we're going to do, Davis Daniel. Davis Daniel. And the next CD we're going to do is Scooby-Doo Theme. Scooby-Doo Theme. Next CD we're going to do is Happy Birthday Hits. Happy Birthday Hits. Next CD we're going to do is Leona Lewis. And the next CD we're going to do is Tracy Byrd, Love Lessons. And the next CD we're going to do is Lone Star Lonely Grill. I got 2 or 3 of the same album for some reason. The next one is Elton John. The One. And the next one is George Strait, Carrying Your Love With Me. And the next one is Ronnie Milsap, Super Hits. And that concludes CD Collection Part 21 tonight. I know you're going to ask me this. How can you tell the difference in sound quality in different albums? Well, I'll tell you this. Some of it is not easy, folks. Some of it is not easy. I'll tell you this, though. This is a compilation. That is a compilation. That was Ronnie Milsap. This one is an original, George Strait. This one is an album. Whoa, this one is an album. This one is an album. And that is Lone Star. This one, an album. Tracy Byrd, Love Lessons. This one, an album. It's Leona Lewis. This one, the Birthday Hits compilation. Scooby-Doo theme compilation. And this one, Davis Daniel, original. This one is a original. And it's Vince Gill, the best of. Dwight Yoakam, original. Phil Collins, original. And Mormon Tabernacle Choir compilation. And another one is the Oak Ridge Boys, and it's a compilation. And Sawyer Brown, The Dirt Road, is original. Original. So what did you think of that? What did you think of that? Original and compilations. I'll tell you what I think of it. I think it is pretty cool to know that compilations and originals put together to make a great sound like that. Now the compilations, the sound level is low and the original is high. But when you add them together to form one sound, then you got a great sound quality. Like Sawyer Brown. Take this for instance, Sawyer Brown. This is an original album, The Dirt Road. So, now if you put it on a compilation album, it would not sound the same. I'll tell you. Now these albums that I've shown tonight here on part 21 are guaranteed good albums, okay? They play good, they sound good, and they're in good shape. Every album that I've shown you so far, some compilations, some originals, some albums are upbeat sound, some of them are not so upbeat sound. Now you take one of the sounds and put them together and see what that would form into. Alright, the compilations has a lower backbeat sound. Okay, a lower backbeat sound. But when you listen to it on a original, it's a lot different. Now explain that one. Explain that one. I bet you can't do it. Because the compilation albums sounds a whole lot different than the original, because they have a lower sound quality than the original albums do. I compared them 2 or 3 times. I've compared them, and the sound quality in some of them are so weak that the sound quality just fills the air, but it's not enough to actually do anything with. Okay, the sound quality is good, but not as good as it would be if you was listening to it on something different. I want to explain this to you. Now, suppose you got a low noise tape, okay, and digital recording, and you'll see that there is a big sound difference. Big sound difference. Now, how I know? You listen to them both, and both of them sounds a whole lot different. Whole lot different. Because the sound quality is weaker on the low noise than it is on the high noise. That's the well-known fact. Okay? When you, like if you listen to a CD or a tape, it's going to sound different. Because that's digital and the other is low noise. That's the big difference. All right, folks. I want to tell you a little bit more. Now, each album that I've shown you is good albums. So, yes, great albums. Now, like I said, some of them has low noise or higher input noise. Now, the compilations has a low noise. The original has a high noise. So, it's a big difference. Big difference. Watch what I'm telling you. Big, big difference. And that's the reason why it is. Remember to like, favorite, subscribe, leave in the comments and tell what you thought of the video, and I'm out of here.